6-time production snake here, and we're going to do a startup and drive of the 2011 Camaro SS. Six-speed. We'll do an in-car sound first. We're getting Flowmaster Outlaw Series exhaust for it next. Okay, we'll do an outside car view. I'll just go set the camera down. That stock exhaust. We're getting, like I said, we're getting Flowmaster Outlaw Series from the axle back. The mufflers are fucking huge on this thing. Look at that. If you can see that, it's pretty dark in here. And then probably my dad's thinking about supercharging it. I'll show you what it's got on it. Air raid, cold air intake. It's got some little cheapy chip in it right now. We're getting a Diablo Sport chip for it, and possibly a supercharger. The chip's right there, if you can see that. It just plugs into like the air intake, the throttle position. I can't remember what it is. Oh shit. I'll probably upload some burnout videos of it this summer. Alright, subscribe for more, guys. There'll be lots more coming on this thing. See ya. Peace.